Hey, your car guy, Bill DeBoer over here at DeBoer's Auto. Just wanted to make this quick video and bring a quick car care tip on cars making grinding noise after they sit a while. This is a common problem we get during the summertime. A lot of people go away for a week. The cars sit outside and we'll get an occasional rainstorm that comes through. And what happens is you get surface rust built up on the brake rotors. So when you come back home after that week away and you go out for that first drive, you get some really nasty grinding noise, and there's actually nothing wrong with the brakes. It's just the surface rust that has to wear off before it quiets down. So it could take a day, maybe two the longest, but if it persists after that, you should definitely have it checked out. But give it a little bit of a chance if the car's been sitting to wear off that rust. But anytime the brakes are grinding and you're driving on a regular basis, it's definitely a good idea to get it checked out by a certified mechanic. So check us out, DeBoersAuto.com. This is your car guy, Bill DeBoer, over at DeBoer's Auto. Thanks.